Okay, see you on premiere. Kiwa tayo ng okay, babad natin. Put oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Sesame oil. Pepper. Okay, we keep set aside. Okay, set aside natin. Add flour. Okay. Stir fry. We make it a little bit brown. Okay, set aside natin. A bit brown. And then, set aside. Stir fry the stem of broccoli. Stir fry only, ha? We put oyster sauce. Little bit of stir fry. oyster sauce. Okay, we have to set aside again. Okay, lastly, I have to stir fry again. Okay, we have to set aside again. Here, we make it a little bit brown, or the aroma is coming. The garlic. Put the onion. When the onion is silhouette already, I have to add another vegetable. We will wait until the onion is silhouette, okay? Okay, I add the bell pepper, the red bell pepper. I think I will add more. So or otherwise it's enough. This is frozen. If I have always extra bell pepper, I'll put in the freezer, so it will not be spoiling. So okay, it's enough. We add the chicken. This is the chicken. We add black pepper. We add sesame oil. We add a little bit spicy. See this one? It will not show. Look, a little bit spicy. Okay, that's it. I think this is too much. Smells good. And then we add the vegetable. Okay, that's it. I think it's, and then we put a little bit slurry. Let me try if it's enough, that one, or if it's enough we add more. I think it's quite okay. Now we try to taste it. Let me try if it's okay. Mm. Mm. Perfect. Perfect. So, I have to plating now. Okay. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, subscribe na. At pakipindot mo ang aking notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking video recipe. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang recipe ito, chicken with broccoli and bell pepper. So, this is my recipe. Subscribe, like, share, and see you on premiere. Okay? See you. Bye-bye. Let's give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye. See you on premiere. Okay, top view. Yan ang top view. And then, that. Okay. Bye-bye.